Hi, welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up branding within the Phin platform. So the nice thing about Phin is that you can almost completely white label the solution to have branding appear from you as the SAT provider or MSP, if you're administering this to your customers. So let me walk through how to do that. And so first thing you're going to want to do is use the left-hand navigation menu at the partner homepage and select branding, the fourth one down. And this will actually take you to this branding interface here at the partner level where you can change your name within the portal, and this will be the name that appears on communications like reports, welcome emails from Phin to your customers. So if anything changes, you can change that name. You can also upload your logo. And so uploading your logo here at the partner level, it will automatically cause your logo to adopt down to each one of your customer accounts. You only need to upload this logo once. But you can also override that change at any one of your customer levels in case you have any co-branded images or you co-manage a company or you have unique images for them. And if you'd like to do that, you can go ahead and go back to the partner homepage and select the company you'd like to upload a unique logo to. Go to personalize, or personalization, I should say, and then personalize at that point. You can also go there from branding at the left-hand nav menu. And it'll take you to a very similar interface, but this time at the customer level, where you can upload a unique logo. Maybe that's co-branded, maybe it's just unique, needed for this customer. And so that is how to do branding both at the partner home level, for all of your customers, as well as for each individual customer tenant. And thank you so much for watching.